is a gift in which comes, if any time in anyone's life, it only comes but once. And many people never even got the invitation once. They're not interested in tariqah, they're not been given an invitation by Allah. You can talk to them all you want, their ears are locked from hearing that reality until Allah opens. And Allah was telling, it's not you that guides but it's we that guide. Means that you cannot make somebody to believe, that belief has to come from Allah's permission. We pray that Allah dress us, bless us and continuously grant us this ni'mat and this honour of guidance and love of Sayyidina Muhammad. Hold tight to the tariqah for ourselves, our families, our communities and all whom we love in an ocean of immense difficulties and sadness.